Hello, first grade students. Today is day 20. And today I'm going to show you a tally graph and also a bar graph. And then it's going to be up to you to complete the second half of the work for today and also write 3 sentences related to one of the categories that we're going to talk about today. But we'll talk about more about that once we get into the lesson. But first, let's go to the date. Today is April 29th, 2020, and we are on day 20. Now, let's jump into the lesson. So yesterday we talked about what is your family favorite color, and their favorite cakes. And we finished a pictogram graph and made a bar graph to match our data for our tally chart and our picture graph. And then we finished our sentence frame to make it true based on the data that we used on the top. I did want to correct a mistake that I made yesterday on our bar graph. So instead of the number of cakes, it should be the number of people, because this shows the number of people like and what cake they like at the bottom. So the cakes at the bottom and the number of people on the sides that like the number of cakes. So this shows that 2 people like strawberry shortcake just as well as here. 2 people like pound cake just as well as here. And then 2 people like chocolate cake just as well as here. I'm going to say 5 people like chocolate cake just as well as here, okay? So this shows the number of people, and this shows the cakes at the bottom, okay? I just wanted to correct that mistake. Today we're going to continue asking your family what is their favorite thing. So we have favorite animals and favorite shoes. I'm going to do the favorite animals, and then once I do the favorite animal, it's going to be up to you to complete the bottom half, which is your favorite shoes, with a bar graph, and then write 3 sentences at the bottom. So as you can see, I already started my bar graph. I had animals at the bottom, and then the number of people that like which animal. So at the bottom, we have cat, fish, and dog. And remember, we are using our information from our tally chart to create our bar graph. So based on our tally chart, I see that 2 people like cats. So I'm going to go up to number 2. Color it in. I want my data to reflect what's in my tally chart. For fish, we have 3. So I'll go up to number 3. Okay. And then for dog, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will put 5 for dog. So then what I do is, I'm going to make sure my data is correct before I move on. So cats is 1, 2. I go with my cats in my bar graph. I see that it matches up with 2. Next we have fish is 3. 1, 2, 3. I go to the top and make sure my fish matches with 3, and it does. Last I have dog. I'm going to make sure dog is 5. Go up, it is at 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5 hit as well. So I know both of my data chart matches. So now it's up to you to create your bar graph using the data that you get from your family based on their favorite sneakers. So first what you're gonna do, you're gonna call your family and figure out what their favorite sneakers are. So whether shoes are, whether sneakers, sandals, or flip-flops. You're gonna tally it up. And then you're gonna, by using your tally chart, move it over into the bar graph to make your bar graph match your tally chart, okay? So you need any assistance, you can look for the bar graph from yesterday. And you also have an example from today as well. So I will post this at the end of the video so you can go back and look at it and have something to refer back to. And once you finish doing your tally chart for your favorite shoes, your family favorite shoes, and doing a bar graph, you're gonna come to the bottom and write 3 sentences about how did your family vote for a favorite animal. So your question is based on the chart we did together. But you still need to do the tally chart for the shoes and write 3 sentences for the question below. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to your teacher and we'll help you, okay?